guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, for today's shopping episode, this is going to be super exciting because we are going shopping at Louis Vuitton. So last week guys, I have visited Louis Vuitton in our Greenbelt here in our flagship store. So I have so many things to share, but you know, it takes time to edit. So I will be releasing this part 1 first because I wanted to share to you immediately the newest bags from Louis Vuitton. So we are going to see bags from the holiday or Christmas collection. We are also going to see the pre-fall 2023 for men's collection. So I will be including all the prices, and also guys, I will be linking it on the description box below, including the prices, the product codes, and all of that good stuff. So if you want to go shopping with me and of course add things to your wish list, know everything all about this stuff, please watch until the end of this episode. Hi guys, Ron here, Suking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about latest about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on that one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account, that's at Ramir52, for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Hi guys, so our next stop is Louis Vuitton, so let's enjoy! Alright, let us check first the holiday Christmas window display of Louis Vuitton. This is their Lego collection. Just look at this very beautiful festive window display. So what can we see here? So they have the trio messenger here from the Graffiti Collection. I wanted to check this one out. Later I'm going to post a price and post it on the description box below. What else do we see here? So we have some shoes. We have some City KEEPALL, if I'm not mistaken. We have some beautiful Louis Vuitton shoes. Just look at the Christmas tree. It's entirely made of Lego. So festive and so beautiful. More window display, this one for the women's wear section. So we have here for the fall winter and their latest collection. So let's check this one out first. Love the loafers. The loafers are in style right now. So we are going to see here the floral print button down shirt. This is from their fall winter 2022 collection. We have the COUSSIN PM here, beautiful silver color. I love the pants guys. And are you seeing this floral necktie here from their fall winter 2022 collection? So gorgeous. Close-up look of the COUSSIN. We have here some more loafers. Loafers, again, as I mentioned, it's currently now in style. So we have this very beautiful dress. So let's start with the new collection from the Cruise 2023. So we have here the On The Go PM. This is again guys more of the denim jacquard collection. So we have the loop bag for 2,510 USD before tax. So these are the new bags that they have. So the 3,800 is for the side trunk monogram. Super gorgeous. And we have the side trunk in leather for 4,350 USD. So we have the Dauphine for 4,350 for the Cruise 2023 collection. And then we have this very beautiful Neverfull PM for 2,170 USD. We have here for 5,400 USD COUSSIN MM for the Cruise 2023 collection. So beautiful. So we have here more COUSSIN, but I believe, I'm not really sure if this is part of the newer collection. Then guys, OMG, so this is for 7,700 USD for Petite MALLE. This is beaded for Cruise 2023. And then we have here some capucines. Love the handle, it's made of exotic skin. So we have more beautiful capucines for you. So in black, I love this one, black and gold combo. And then we have this, so we are seeing it has a braided handle. Let's check out the Graffiti Collection. So we have here for 188K, KEEPALL Bandoulière 50. So guys, just look at the very vibrant color. We have here for 75K, the Pochette Voyage. This is so gorgeous, guys. So this is from their older collection. So what we have here, so we have more beautiful eye candies from the men's section. Trying this Pochette Voyage for 75,500. Again, OMG, how gorgeous the graffiti print. I love the multicolor that they are using for this one. It really catches my attention and very me. I really love the print. It's so loud. So checking out more of this very beautiful Pochette Voyage. So guys, since the toiletry pouch 26 has already been discontinued, then you could check out the Pochette Voyage. So again, you could just put the insert here and transform this bag from just a simple clutch bag to a shoulder bag. We have here very beautiful ready-to-wear pieces from Cruise 2023. Later, we are going to check out this very beautiful shoe section for the women's wear department. So just a little preview of the holiday collection of Vivienne. Love everything here. So we have the Félicie, we have the mini pochette, we have like the pencil case here. I love this one. The round coin purse. Let's check out some of their footwear. So this one, guys, for 102K, patent leather boots from Louis Vuitton. We have here some slip-on loafers for 73K. We have here shearling slides. So for this one, it's only 62,500. Beautiful heels here for 50,000 pesos.
Holiday collection. So holiday collection meaning every year meron siyang iba-ibang style for every occasion.
For the mini
This is
this is
Japan. This is the Japan place. This is Paris. This is Seoul, Korea po. Yeah.
This is around how much?
For this one po.
Kasi 41 yung regular, di ba?
Yeah. Since this one is 45,300. Same price as these three. Yeah. And then ito po, this is the Victorine one. So pink siya pag Paris. So usually meron rin tayong New York pero out of stock na tayo. Ayan po. Pinkish talaga siya.
For that one, that's around.
For this one po, double check. It's around 35,000 po.
35. So trying out the mini pochette here for 45.3. So this is again the holiday collection. So what do you think, guys? Do you think this is a sign for me to add one to my collection?
$139.
139.
Yeah. So, bago lang din po siya. About 1 week pa lang siya lumabas. And then, yung different lang po sa kanya is the graffiti.
Yes.
Which is mahilig pressure.
Oo nga, basta I want something different talaga.
Parang ano siya eh.
Ay, parang ayan.
Like that one. Graffiti.
Graffiti, oh.
Balenciaga.
Pero this one is seasonal kasi if you want to get it now.
Yeah. And then after the season,
wala na. So I'm trying this very beautiful KEEPALL 25. Again guys, this is different from KEEPALL XS. The difference is the size. So this is a lot bigger than the XS. So 25 meaning 25 centimeters across. Ang wala pa yung ano eh, no? Yung holiday edition ng for men's, di ba? Yung room with a view.
Yeah, wala pa po. Pero I'll update you pag dumating na siya.
Yes, please. So this very beautiful bag comes with a crossbody bag and it comes with a bag tag as well. So here I'm trying some matcha for you guys. What do you think of this very beautiful KEEPALL 25 from the GRAFFITI Collection? They did not release the other color, the one that they have shown from their lookbook. This is the only KEEPALL that they have for this collection. So we have here the key pouch from the GRAFFITI Collection for 21,800. Just look at the very vibrant print. So this one, I'm not sure if this is the passport holder. Wasn't able to check for you guys. So we have here the KEEPALL 25. So this is for everyone who's asking for SLGs and men's bag. Happy shopping, guys! First one, we have key pouch. So 21,800 pesos. As we have seen in the video, this is available at the store. So please take note, you could also see the product codes noted. We have the pocket organizer for 26,700 graffiti. So we have the green white combination. Next, we have the multiple wallet for 33,900 Philippine pesos. Next, we have the KEEPALL Bandolier 50 for 188K. I really love this combination of colors. I love the blues, I love the greens, I love the reds, and I love the whites. Then we have the Archie Messenger MM for 174K. What do you think of this very beautiful messenger bag? Next, we have the Trio Messenger for 158K. This one I really love because it's 3 bag in 1. You have the key pouch, you have the pouch, and you have the larger bag. Next, we have the Discovery Backpack for 166K. So with the green-white combination of the graffiti prints. Then we have the super, I love this one, the Pochette Voyage for 75,500. Guys, you should get this one. I'm adding this also to my wish list, the KEEPALL Bandolier 25 for 139K. Steamer wallet for 121K. So guys, please take note, this is a little bit smaller. Maybe your phone would just fit here. Then we have the Discovery Bomb Bag for 128K. So if anyone's looking for the bomb bag, since it's been discontinued in the women's wear department. Then we have the Horizon 55 for 207,000 pesos. There, did you enjoy our Louis Vuitton shopping episode for today, guys? OMG! So did you add anything on your wish list from the Christmas collection and the men's pre-spring summer 2023? Guys, I have seen the Pochette Voyage. OMG, it's so beautiful and the price is also affordable. Plus also, guys, the KEEPALL 25 holds a very special place in my heart. So hope you enjoy our episode for today. Again, guys, before we end our episode, I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on that one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account that's at Premierfi2 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you guys for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!